Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Govee lights to sync with your TV. The current setup that I'm running, I'm going to leave down below in the description, but it's two floor lamps and then one TV backlight. The stem of getting all this to work starts with the Govee TV Backlight 3, which I highly recommend. So once you actually have the Govee TV Backlight 3, you want to make sure that you have the Govee Home app installed, and it's going to look like this. Make sure you have all your devices that you want connected added to this app. It's very simple to do. You just click on this upper right hand corner, the plus sign, and then find your device. Now afterwards, click on TV backlight. And then you're going to enter a page that looks like this. So with this page, you're going to see this tab here called Movie Watching Dream View. You want to click that on. And I'll first toggle it off. So this is what the lights will look like first without anything being synced. As you can see, the two floor lamps are not matching the colors on the screen as the TV backlight are. So what DreamView does is that it actually syncs all your devices together. So in order to sync the other two devices, you want to click on Manage the device and then tick the box of the other devices you want added to this actual DreamView. DreamView is what they call it. I really like it. And so as you can see here, I have my two floor lamps. It's that left floor lamp over there and that right floor lamp over there. Now once I toggle this on, if I toggle on DreamView, you're going to see everything start to sync up together. And as you can see right now, the other floor lamp is still connecting. So we have one connected. We're just waiting for the last one to connect. We'll give it a couple of seconds or so. So now the lamp is actually connected. And so what it looks like is, as you can see here down below, we have the two floor lamps connected and then DreamView is toggled on. Now all the lights sync up together. So if you have more Govee devices, you can easily add it to this movie DreamView mode that they have included with the Backlight 3. This is a really nice way to add visual lighting to the back of your TV and your living room. So again, I'll leave my setup down below. It's two floor lamps and one backlight. And so what I really like about it too is that if you only want parts of the backlight to change colors, as you can see it's segmented, you could also change it to the entire light is all one color. So that also looks really nice. But check it out for yourselves, guys. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do leave them down below.